Welcome to Monkey Physics IIT JEE NEET Foundations.
Yeah. So now it's time to look into the numericals. First equation of motion. First equation of motion. What it is given? V is equivalent to U plus AT. Right? Now based on this, how the numericals. Now please remember, all of you, we're going to solve the more number of numericals, but we start from very basic things. So they involve the direct formula base in the beginning, and later on we try to increase the level of intensity of the problem. Now example, now an object is moving with 10 meters per second if it is maintaining the acceleration of 2 meters per second square. This is a constant. Now what is its velocity after t equivalent to 4 seconds? Hope it's clear. The description is clear, right? Now solution. Now given, now let us take, this is a time t equivalent to 0 second, the velocity is this we take it as initial velocity 10 meters per second. Now acceleration is given as 2 meters per second square, and the time is given as 4 second. Then what is its velocity? So v is equivalent to u plus at. So v is equivalent to u 10 plus a, it's a 2 into t 4, so v is equivalent to, it's a 10 plus 8, it is nothing but 18 meters per second. Yeah. Now in the next example, now can you calculate what is the displacement the vehicle can cover in this time? In the same example, let us take. Now all these parameters are given. If not, you can find it out what is the velocity after 4 seconds. Now if displacement S is equivalent to how much, right? Now shall we use this formula? S is equivalent to ut plus half at square. So S is equivalent to what about u? 10. What is t? 4 plus half a to t 4 square. So displacement is equivalent to 40 plus 2 gets cancelled, 16. So displacement is equivalent to 56 meters. Yeah. In the next example, now they are asking us total time of journey is 4 seconds, right? Total time of journey is 4 seconds. Now how much it covered in second. Can we? So how much it has covered in the second. So what is that they are asking? Displacement in the second. So in that case, we can write what is the displacement in the second. Displacement in the second. Now how do you take this? Displacement in the second. Now use the formula Snth. We know Snth is equivalent to u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1. Now what about u in this case? 10 plus what is acceleration? 2 upon 2 into 2. Which second they are asking us? Second, minus 1. So this is 10 plus 2 gets cancelled. It's a 4 minus 1, 3. It's nothing but 13 meters. So displacement in the second is nothing but 13 meters. This is the displacement in 4 seconds. What is this? Displacement in 4 seconds. Okay? Yeah. So this is how we can go with the numericals. Now you try this. Next example. I am leaving it to you for the homework or workout session later of your own. Now at t equivalent to 0, the position is at 2 meters. Now it is moving with a speed of 8 meters per second. Now it is maintaining the acceleration of constant acceleration 5 meters per second square. Now they are asking what is the velocity at t equivalent to 3 seconds. At t equivalent to 3 seconds. So you should find velocity at t equivalent to 3 seconds. Second one, displacement in 3 seconds. And the third one, position of vehicle at t equivalent to 3 seconds. Now anyway, these two you can solve easily, right? How come? This velocity you can use the formula v is equivalent to u plus at. This is a formula you can use. And for the displacement formula, you can use this. S is equivalent to ut plus half at square, ut plus half a t square. And v is equivalent to u plus at. Now what about the position? Look at here, this is trying to do. We are trying to do this. Now, why I am particularly mentioning this? Now displacement, how do you calculate displacement? Ut, isn't it? Ut plus half at square. What about u? 8. What about t? Half acceleration is 5. And what about time? 3 square. So 24 plus 5 by 2 into 9. Yeah. So now 24 plus 45 by 2. So this is 24 plus 45 by 2, 22.5, isn't it? Now this, it is going to give you, it's a 46.5 meters is a displacement. Now we all know displacement is 46.5. But what about the displacement formula? Final position minus initial position, right? Now displacement 46.5 is equivalent to final position minus initial position is not 0. Yeah, initial position is not 0. Then what is initial position? 2. Then what about the final position? You bring this to 46.5 plus 2 is nothing but 48.5 meter. So this is the position at t equivalent to 3 seconds. Now one thing we should observe here. What is the position here? Final position is 48.5 meters. Initial position is 2 meters. And what is the total displacement during the journey? So 48.5 minus 2 meters is nothing but 46.5. So for this, we can use this formula. That is what I'm telling. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.